Hi, David here, and in this session I'm going to show you how to migrate a local installation of WordPress up to a live hosting server, which is a very handy tactic to know, especially if you're developing on a local server, which I recommend you do before you upload anything to a live server. It's much easier and much simpler. So this is the file folder on my local computer here, and this contains the current installation that I want to upload to a live server. I'm using a piece of software called MAMP Pro. This is the latest version. I've only recently upgraded. There is a free version if you're only going to use one local installation of WordPress. If you're using multiples, then you will need to upgrade and pay for the Pro version. So today I'm working on localhost 2 server, and the site that I'm going to look at uploading to a live server is my crash test dummy site here that I use for demonstrations on my local server. And I've got my MAMP installation loaded up here. If you're not familiar with MAMP, quite simply, if you can see this localhost 2, if you select that, you'll load the site. If you want to get that menu up, you can quite simply click Web Start on the MAMP application window here, and it will launch your selected web host in this format like this. So it gives you a quick link to the section we're going to next, which is the PHP My Admin. We need to go into there to be able to export the database, and that's the first thing we need to do before we go any further. So we'll go into there, and what I wanted to do is go up and select databases. You'll notice I have a number of different databases, so you need to make sure that you're going to export the correct database here. So I want to make sure that I'm exporting the test database, and in this case, which probably won't be the same for you, I need to select specific tables because I'm actually using this same database for 2 different installations of WordPress. And you'll see up here that I've got WP_prefix comment data, and then down here for the other installation I've changed the prefix to WP_WP hub comment data. Meta, sorry. So I'll be using that the actual tables from here, not these ones up here. So when I go to export, I'll have an option like this. I want to select custom, and in here it gives me the option to select the tables of the database I've selected over here to the left. Okay. So I want to select all the tables here that have the prefix WP_WP hub. So I'm going to go down and select that. I also want to output this as a zip file, so I want to save it out. We want to leave it like this. We want to leave it as UTF-8 character set. I want to use a zipped compression, and that's it. That's all we need to play around with here, and then we can go down to the bottom and we simply just click go, and that will download our database file in a zipped format into our downloads document here, and I'll show you that there. You'll see that we've got that that test SQL file just sitting in there. It's got a 2 after it because I've downloaded a couple more previously when I was testing this new installation. So there you have it there.